Hi, it's Faceless Tech. I seen a couple of months ago Werry from sudomods fame posted about a DMG 3D printed like fidget toy, which had like A and B buttons on the front and they flipped over. There's a D-pad on the back. You could also have like a air tag stuck in there. I thought that's cool, so I bought the files to take a look at them. And I was kind of thinking to myself, oh, wouldn't it be cool if you could, if when you press the button, it kind of lit up like an LED behind the button. So this is kind of where I got my idea from. I looked in my parts bin. I've got loads of Gameboy Color stuff left over from my Retro Zero build, and I kind of use LEDs under the buttons there, so I kind of had a bit of an idea of what I was doing. So basically what I did was kind of took the basic design from Werry's one and then kind of made it like a Gameboy Color theme, because that's what I had, Gameboy Color buttons, and to distinguish against his. So yeah, basically I'll give you a quick demo. So it's just like a little fidget, and then you can press the buttons, you can press them both together, you can press them individually, and they just have a nice light up. You got that, it's like the coral, like pink colour, obviously the Game Boy Color theme. And I've got the sort of the kiwi green one, just to light up, and then I've got the classic purple one, which has got like UV type LEDs behind it. I'll give you a quick look at the inside as well. So what I did was, also I was thinking, how am I gonna screw these together? Normally I use like hex screws, but why not just use Game Boy Color tri-ring screws? Because you probably got, most Game Boy modders will have like a load of stuff left over. So that was kind of my thinking, is kind of like recycle all your old used stuff. So on the inside we've got this very simple PCB. All it is like button pads, and then when you connect them together, the LED lights up. It's just got a little coin cell battery. Just keep it really simple. It's 3 volts. You don't need a resistor then with the 3 volts going through the LEDs. I've also got, I'm going to release the files for this. I've got, you can go with just like a standard, I've got like a standard-ish back. I think it's got like a smaller loop to it, but you can just put it on. If you don't want the LEDs, you can just flip that on the back, and then you can just have it just fidget, because I know everyone will want to produce the PCBs. And then it's got the PCB back, which it just slots in place. I even went for the like sort of foam charm loop at the side, and then it just goes together with the tri-ring screws. And then what I've done with this is I've got clear buttons, and then I've got like a white sort of membrane to them. You probably could do with like a clear membrane if you wanted it to be slightly brighter, or you could even probably go with this if you weren't bothered about the tinting of the colours. I just thought, because this is what I used on the Retro Zero Game Boy Color build, I thought it worked quite well with the LEDs, the shiny through. And obviously you can use these like standard buttons, so that you can use any buttons you want. You can get the really nice cast ones, or you could 3D print some. You could do whatever you want really. It's totally up to you. But yeah, as usual, I'm going to release all the design files for this, PCB for the 3D print files, all that. You're about to buy all that kind of stuff. And I might even put some of these up for sale on my eBay shop, Etsy shop. Depends if anyone is interested in them. And then hopefully I'm going to maybe produce some more in different colours. I want to make like a white, a black, clear, maybe even like go with like a grey, DMG grey as well. But yeah, as usual, blog post in the description with all the information, where to buy and all that kind of stuff. And thanks for watching. Bye.